How big is the universe really? And what lies at its edge? This video will reveal the answers. Now, we're about to embark on a journey from Earth to the far reaches of the solar system, then beyond to the Milky Way, past gigantic superclusters, until we reach the edge of the universe. Together, we'll uncover one of the greatest cosmic mysteries. Our first stop is the Moon, also known as Earth's only natural satellite. Back in 1969, astronaut Neil Armstrong left humanity's first footprint on the Moon's surface. Next, we arrive at Venus. Its atmosphere is made up of 96% carbon dioxide, causing a runaway greenhouse effect, with surface temperatures reaching a scorching 462 degrees Celsius. If you see a bright star in the southwest sky at night, it's probably Venus. Mercury is the smallest of the 8 planets and the closest to the Sun. The Sun appears like a burning fireball because of ongoing nuclear fusion deep inside. But even the Sun's fuel will run out someday. When that happens, it too will come to an end. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The average distance between Earth and the Sun is called 1 astronomical unit, or about 150 million kilometers. It takes 8 minutes for sunlight to reach our planet. Next is Mars, a desert-like planet filled with hills and canyons. Mars lies within the habitable zone and has some Earth-like conditions, making it a focus of exploration for many nations. Beyond the asteroid belt lies Jupiter. It's a massive gas giant with no solid surface. The Great Red Spot is an enormous storm, big enough to fit 2 or 3 Earths inside. Then comes Saturn. See those countless icy particles? They form Saturn's famous rings. In July 2013, the Cassini spacecraft took a photo of Saturn, with a tiny blue dot beside it. That tiny blue dot is our home. At the far edge of the solar system, we find Uranus and Neptune. These two are often called twin planets, and they belong to the ice giant category. Because their atmospheres contain methane gas, they have their own unique shades of blue. These 8 planets revolve around the Sun, forming the solar system. As we move further out, the entire solar system appears as nothing more than a tiny point of light. Each small dot out here is a star like the Sun. Many of these stars have their own planetary systems. Looking further away, there are more than 200 billion stars here, each of which emits a shining light. And together form the huge Milky Way. Its diameter is about 100,000 light-years. Earth lies in one of its outer arms. On clear nights, that faint white band across the sky is actually part of our Milky Way. Continuing outward, 2.5 million light-years away, we reach the Andromeda Galaxy. It holds over 1 trillion stars and is the nearest major galaxy to us. Together, the Milky Way and Andromeda belong to a small group of around 50 galaxies known as the local group. The local group itself is part of an even larger structure, the Virgo supercluster. This supercluster contains about 100 galaxy clusters and groups. Each bright spot is a massive galaxy, including our Milky Way. And yet, the Virgo supercluster is just a tiny corner of the observable universe. As we speed toward the edge of the universe, galaxies become all we see. Each galaxy holds billions or even trillions of stars. The total number of stars in the universe may outnumber all the grains of sand on Earth's beaches. Because of the vast distances and the limit of light speed, what we see is the past. Sunlight is 8 minutes old when it reaches us, and the light from Andromeda began its journey 2.5 million years ago. So if we look far enough into space, can we see the beginning of the universe? As we pass through early galaxies, we witness the formation of stars and the birth of the first giants. Then we see the oldest light in the universe, cosmic microwave background radiation. We've now reached the final stop on our journey. What is the edge of the universe? The answer is a single point. A point with infinite density, zero volume, and unimaginably high temperature. A place where time and space break down. This is what the universe looked like 13.8 billion years ago, before it even began. In 1927, Belgian astronomer Georges Lemaître proposed the Big Bang theory. This became one of the most influential ideas in modern cosmology. When that point exploded, it created time and space, light, and the universe itself. Everything we see today came from that single moment. The light from the Big Bang still exists and was recorded in detail by the European Space Agency's Planck telescope. This is the cosmic microwave background radiation and is also the most favorable evidence that the universe had a Big Bang. After reaching the edge of the universe, we realize just how tiny Earth really is, and how vast, how mysterious the universe remains. Honestly, if Earth disappeared right now, it would make no difference to the universe. So in this grand cosmic ocean, we must ask, why are we here?